Hey y'all, okay, so I just finished filming my fitness routine video and that should already be up. So go check that out after this video. But yeah, I am going to be doing a vlog, week in my life. So I thought that that was something, I have a lot going on this week, some fun stuff, and it's after spring break, so we're gonna get back into school so y'all can kind of see my routine with that. Today I'm going to go to the mall. I might treat myself to something very expensive, so we'll see. I'm not 100% sure yet because I don't know. I have such a hard time spending money. I don't like spending money at all, so we'll see if I actually do it. So pretty much I'm gonna go change into my outfit for today. It looks like it's gonna rain and I'm really sad because I really wanted to wear like a cute spring dress and take pictures, but obviously that's not gonna happen today, and I need to fix my hair because it's disgusting. So yeah, let's start the vlog. Okay, how my setup is. So this is like my quick setup whenever I need to like go. So I pretty much have these two studio lights, and there it is. They're by Photo Studio Pro. They were $40 for both of these, and I got them I think off of eBay or something. And then my little stand, I got this from Best Buy or Target, I'm not exactly sure. And then sometimes I have my Diva light whenever I'm actually doing like a very sit down video and I'm gonna be here for a while. Honestly, I was like, I'm in a rush, I don't have time to carry all of this in here because then I have to go put it back up and I was too lazy. So yeah, let's just let's go and finish getting ready, and then I will see y'all in a second. Okay, so I just finished getting ready and you should have seen the pile of stuff on my bed. I thought I was gonna wear like 3 different outfits, and yeah, that didn't happen. So I just threw on something comfy and casual because I was tired of trying to look cute when I really don't have any need for it. So wearing these shoes, on the inside they have fur, like little like faux cheetah fur. So cute, so comfortable. These are from H&M. My jeans are from American Eagle. So and I'm wearing this H&M top. It has like a sequin lips and teeth. My purse is Valentino, this little blush pink. My sunglasses are from Nora NYC. Everything will be linked down below for today's outfit. And then yeah, there's Ellie in the back right there. And she's just being cute as always. Looking out, being my guard dog. Hey babe, I gotta go, okay? I have to go, but I'm gonna be back real soon, okay? I'll be right back. So yeah, my hair is crazy. It's disgusting. I'm like getting it done on Monday, today's Saturday, and so I was like, I just don't have any desire to like really do much with it for these next few days, especially tomorrow. I'm just going to be cleaning out some stuff, but yeah, it's disgusting right now. And I was gonna put a hat on and then just I looked like an egg, so we're not even gonna talk about that. But anyways, yeah, let's head to the mall. I'm probably not gonna bring Ellen because my purse is so small that it won't fit in there, and I don't want to like carry it around whenever I'm like shopping for some presents for people, so that'll just be like too much. So I will see y'all after the mall. Okay, so I just got home and I look a little crazy right now. But I got home and I changed out of what I was wearing. I literally did not buy anything that I needed to while I was at the mall because I could not find anything. It's such a luxury mall that I went to that they didn't have anything that I was specifically looking for my sister and her fiance's engagement present. Yeah, so I'll just show you guys I guess what I got. So okay, let's have a talk. I went to Gucci and I bought myself something, and I'm like not like I don't even know how to feel because I am such a saver. I never buy anything. I never spend money. I'm very frugal. I'm always on a budget. So the thing that I just bought, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I just bought this, and I bought it with my money because I don't want anyone to be like, you know, oh, I mean, why do you even feel bad like it's your parents' money or anything like that? Like, no, this is my money that I saved, that I worked for. This is mine, and I chose to spend it on this. And I don't want to look like I'm bragging because I'm really not, but I I feel like I should show y'all because like it's in the vlog and all that kind of stuff. So here it is. Here's my purchase for the day. So I bought some Gucci sneakers. I am so excited. So I just put them on and everything, and FaceTimed my mom and showed her. So I just got these Gucci sneakers and I love them. And there's Ellie on the ground over there. And I honestly didn't even notice this in the store, I guess because I was just so like zoned in on like the price tag and everything. But that's so cool. So yeah, and then other than that, for like lunch, it's $2.51, so 3. And I didn't really feel like, well, I just like choked myself with my shirt. So I didn't really feel like getting anything like a lot. I really can't speak English today. I didn't feel like getting a bunch to eat right now for lunch, but I'm actually starving right now and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna eat because I'm really hungry, and whenever I'm hungry I need to eat something. But pretty much what I had for a snack slash I guess part of my lunch, because I had this around noon, was I went to the juice bar in Dallas and I got myself, honestly I don't even know what this one was. It was smoothie, and it was the Strawberry Fields, I think. Yeah, Strawberry Fields. And it's just strawberry, almond milk, coconut water, spinach, and then there might be some other stuff, but I just can't remember. So I got that, and it was really good. I've never had one of these before, but they are a vitamin B12 shot. I used to take B12, like in high school and stuff, and I like stopped taking it, but I have like so much going on right now in like my personal life. I just have like so much going on right now in like life with like, you know, New York, school, you know, family, just like all that kind of stuff that's just like crazy, that I'm like constantly like traveling and going and doing all these kinds of things. So this is supposed to give you energy, and I really hope it does, because I can't have coffee 3 times a day. It's just not healthy to have that much coffee, I feel like. So hopefully if I can find something like this, then I will. Or if y'all know anything, leave it in the comments, because that would help me a lot, because I'm trying to find something that's an energy booster. Bye! I'll be right back. I'm sorry. I'll be right back though. I love you. Okay, so I leave my house now. It is now 3:45, so it's been about an hour since I vlogged. I literally just watched Olivia Jade videos. If y'all don't know who she is, she's a YouTuber, and I'm trying to get a granola bar out. No wait, that's not the kind I want. Those are the dips. I want the regular ones. Olivia Jade's a YouTuber, and she lives in California, and she's so funny and just like relatable, and I think she's like a year younger than me, or maybe like my same age or something. And she's super cute, she seems really sweet. I don't know her personally, obviously, but yeah, I've been just watching her videos because I just found her like the other day, and I'm like, you know, whenever you find like a YouTuber or like you find a show or something like that you like, oh my gosh, like my house is a mess, and you are just like obsessed with them. That's exactly how I feel about her, because I'm like watching all her videos. So now I'm gonna leave. I need to go to Ulta, and then I need to go to Target, because oh, birdies. I need to go to Target because let's set this up. I need to go to Target. Oh, my phone's about to die. Because I have no food, and I was gonna make myself a bowl of cereal, and I haven't eaten, so I just grabbed a granola bar so I can actually eat something. Because I'm starving. Oh my gosh.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me. me, yeah. Where you go, I'll follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1.
Okay, so it is now 6:20. I am such a loser. I'm so tired. Like, I really could go to sleep right now. Just from traveling yesterday from wherever I traveled from, Houston or Austin or something like that. I don't even know. Just from the drive yesterday and then today, getting up early and like just doing so much this morning before I even started vlogging. I'm just so tired. And it's been exhausting. So I think I'm gonna take a shower, use my new Clinique stuff, take off my makeup, because why not? And I'll show y'all that. Put some tanning stuff on and relax. My sister was like, do you want to go get dinner? And I was like, no. Sorry. I'm just too tired. So I'm sorry. But yeah.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I'll follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy.
Okay, so I've taken my shower, put my tanning stuff on, made dinner, and I was so hungry. I just ate it before I even had time to show y'all. But I'm pretty much gonna eat the same thing tomorrow, so y'all will see it then. And I'm pretty sure I said this was a week in my life, and I'm just going to do a weekend in my life just because I have such a very busy week coming up, and I know I won't have time to vlog this next week that's coming up. So I'm going to end it Monday since today's Saturday, so pretty much it would be like getting 3 days in it. So I'm just gonna do Saturday, Sunday, Monday, if that makes sense, and I'm just gonna call it my weekend in my life, because yeah. So I look really rough right now. Just got out of my shower like an hour ago. My hair's still drying a little bit, and then I'm about to finish editing and yeah, just hang out and go to sleep.
About the place I roam, never feeling quite my own. So somehow get the feeling
Okay, so honestly, I don't know what I last vlogged, but I just went and got some things for my sister and for her fiance, because we, like I talked about yesterday, we're doing their luncheon. All this clothes that you see on my bed right here, that's going away because it's all winter stuff and I'm preparing for spring, so just ignore all that. So I went down and went to Francesca's, Lily Rain, and Dear Hannah. I know Francesca's is like in a lot of places. I don't know about Lily Rain and Dear Hannah. Dear Hannah, I love that store. It's so cute. They have a lot of gifts and really cute clothes, and they're always like on trend, but that's besides the point. So yeah, I got a bunch of stuff, and I was gonna show y'all some of the stuff I got for them, because obviously like it's this weekend, this Saturday, and this won't be up before then, so they won't see anything.
About the place I roam, never feeling quite my own. Somehow get the feeling I don't fit in, but I know that I'll be coming home to you. And you know that I'll be driving home to you. 30,000 miles seems far to a man who hasn't fallen quite as hard.
Oh, Ellie, you're so cute. Yes, you are. Oh my word. Bye-bye. Okay, so y'all have obviously probably not seen a lot. I actually recorded a lot this evening, and a lot at my hair appointment, and I don't think y'all are gonna see all of it because I just uploaded my stuff to my computer, and more than half my footage is corrupted. Why? Why? Oh my god, I'm so frustrated, and I'm trying not to be so frustrated, but I really am. That really, it sucks. I mean, if you are a YouTuber, photographer, videographer, anything like that, you understand that if you have, you know, worked on a bunch of footage or have footage that, you know, you really can't recreate, then, and it's gone and you can't get it back and you can't figure out that, then you know how frustrating it is. So it's kind of what's going on. So I'm really upset right now because I had a lot to show y'all, and I like can't go back and like refilm it. That's just not the point of a vlog. So yeah, I'm really sorry, but Kendall, the girl that does my hair, is amazing. I love my hair, how it turned out and everything, and she's super sweet, super cool. I absolutely love her, and I will leave all of her stuff in the description box down below. So if you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, please go check her out because she has saved my hair. Like, oh my god. Yeah, so sorry again about the footage and probably how crappy this vlog turned out, but I just wanted to post it anyways because it's still a good memory, even if it's not as good as it would have been. But thank y'all so much for being so awesome. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in our next video. Mwah. Bye.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go